Now here's a bike for all you trials fans. This is a 1985 Honda RTL250 SF number 5390. So this is an early model with the drum brakes, so probably one of the first ever made of these high performance and very lightweight trials machines. Produced at the HRC Honda Racing Corporation factory, these were the bike to have at the time. And as you can see, this is a used example, and remember it's 40 years old. Now I'll tell you, go through the details of what's wrong. The back mud guard has had a hard time. The bodywork has been repaired but would restore. The frame is all complete. There's no rotten parts, everything's there. Front mud guard's gone. Forks could do with rechroming but looks straight. She starts and runs and rides perfectly. All the gears work, and I'll start her up shortly. But basically you're buying a restoration project and it's sold as such. I mean, there's a few out there for sale restored, and they're anywhere between £5,000 and £8,000, which seems optimistic for me, but we've priced this at 2595, which I think is about right, bearing the condition. So it is a usable bike, but it needs a little bit of TLC. Now, a couple of things. The clutch cable has seized on it, but the gears all work and the clutch does work, but it could do with a new cable rather than trying to unseize that one. I'm just telling everyone what they expect to do for the bike. Carburetor we've cleaned to run her up, and she's nice and she started well. So let's hear how she runs. There's a bit of weeping from the fuel tap as well, which might sort itself out once there's fuel in there. Let's go. So as you can hear, beautiful. Nice and quiet, starts first kick, and it's all there. So if you're looking for a 40-year-old classic HRC built, which is the thing, hand built and in very limited numbers, RTL250SF, this is the bike for you. Now we can deliver anywhere in the UK and we can export worldwide. A little thing about the clutch cable while I'm thinking, one of the reasons they seize on these is the routing. They go very close to the exhaust, and that's what happens. The plastic burns off, but the moisture gets in there and ruins it. It's the design, bad design really. But exhaust is good, no holes, and as I said, a nice project bike. So she's going live this weekend on classicandrare.co.uk and also on Car and Classic. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. We'll be pleased to answer them, and if you can get in quick, we can arrange delivery for Christmas. Many thanks.